Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to manage employee expenses reimbursements in Bluevine. Handling employee reimbursements through Bluevine keeps things fast, digital, and well documented. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Bluevine dashboard. Make sure each employee's bank details are on file. If not, just request their routing and account numbers. Next, create a dedicated sub-account or envelope labeled reimbursements so that you can keep these funds separate. When an employee submits an approved expense report, note the exact reimbursement amount. From your Bluevine dashboard, you're going to select payments and then choose ACH transfers, enter the employee's bank details, the reimbursement amount, and a memo like travel expense for clear record keeping. Confirm and send the payment. Bluevine will transfer the money directly to the employee's account. You can track these reimbursements in your Bluevine transaction history to export the data for accounting purposes. This method ensures reimbursements are quick, transparent, and easy to reconcile later. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.